Hey guys, this is Joseph again. We're going to be talking about azimuths, parceling, bearings, and some other stuff. Let's briefly talk about what an azimuth is, okay? So, if you look to my right here, if my pen works, I have a north arrow, okay? We can have varying degrees here, okay? These are all some angle, okay? So if I was to measure this angle, it would be north by east. We never measure this angle, okay? Never. We always measure from here. Okay. So this would be north, let's say 20 degrees east. Okay. So let me delete all that. No, that's not delete. Get rid of you. So we're going to do some bearing addition and subtraction. So here I'm going to draw some lines to help me. Okay, these are just axes that I use. So let's say we know this distance right here is north 17 degrees 14 minutes 23 seconds west, right? And we want to find, I don't know, this angle here is 90 degrees. We'll just go with that. That's an easy one. We want to find the bearing between here. Okay, what this bearing is. This is how we would do it. Okay, so we know this angle right here, if we draw these lines out, that's not what I wanted. By geometry, this angle is equal to this angle here. Come on. Right? Cool. So we know this angle. We know this angle. And we're trying to find this one right here. So this is pretty simple. We can do 180 degrees, or if you think about it this way, 179 degrees, 59 minutes, 60 seconds. Because there's 60 seconds in a minute, and then there's 1 minute in a degree. Okay, 59 minus 90 degrees minus what we have here, 17 degrees 14 minutes 23 seconds. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. And now we just do some math. So 60 minus 23, 37. 59 minus 14, sorry, 45. And then we have 179 minus 90 minus 17. So it's really minus 107. So we get 72 degrees. And then we know that is northeast. Okay, because this is the angle we're getting. Okay, we can't have east of north. So the answer would be this. He's probably going to make you do this. You can plug this into your calculator under second angle. There's degrees, minutes, second things that you can do. And if there's enough interest, I can make you a video. I don't know how to put my calculator up here. But that's bearings for you. What else do we want to talk about? Traverses, we kind of talked about that. Parceling and stationing. What does parceling do for us? So parcels divide land. Have you ever heard the term parcel of land? You probably have. If you haven't, I'm sorry. What it does is we know that parcels divide lands, and we have labels for the parcels, which are in fact bearings and traverses. We can divide them into different things like single-family homes, roads, road center lines. We always measure the road from the center line, not from the edges. Things like that. I'd review the basic terminology. Just go back over the directions for homework 8, I believe. 8 or 6, I don't remember. I think it's 6, where we do some parceling. Nothing crazy. And that should be it. Please don't hesitate to email me if you have some more questions about the test. It is on Thursday. You do need to be there in person. Bring a pencil, bring a calculator. That's pretty much it.